Hello navigator, today I will discuss about rule 6, that is safe speed. So what rule 6 says? Every vessel shall at all times proceed at a safe speed so that she can take proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions. In determining safe speed, the following factors shall be among those taken into account.
So looks like this rule is going to recommend us some notable points to keep a safe speed at sea so that we can stop within appropriate limit or avoid close quarter situation. Recommendation has been categorized in two groups.
Category A, Category B. Category A is for all vessels. Category B, vessels with having operational radar. I want you to think about you are driving a car, so in a road, just simply think about it. What about visibility? If the visibility is not good, like dense fog, within dense fog you are driving your car, so of course you will be concerned about how far you can see very clearly, isn't it? So same goes for the vessel. Actually, by nature you will be concerned, isn't it? Number 2, the traffic density, including the concentrations of fishing vessel or any other vessel. What it means? Same goes with you when you are driving a car. You don't consider only other cars as traffic, right? You consider every other vehicle like cycle, motorcycle, bus, truck, everything. All of them you consider as traffic, and you carefully drive your car. So it is same here also. Number 3, the maneuverability of the vessel with special reference to stopping distance and turning ability in the prevailing conditions. What it means? The vessel is a big thing compared to your car,
And that is why you need to consult with wheelhouse poster to know about your vessel's maneuvering characteristics.
Number 4, at night the presence of background light such as shore light or backscatter of our own light. What it means? While departing from port or while entering into the port, maybe you will observe so many shore light and you will miss out which one is vessel's light. So there is a possibility to do mistake determining shore light and vessel's light. So you have to be conscious about that. Also, your own vessel's light can be particularly important because from bridge we can see scattered light. So this scattered light also you can be confused with. Number 5, the state of wind, sea and current and the proximity of navigational hazards. I believe this point is to be very clear to all of the seafarers who are especially serving as watch officer. Why I am saying like that? Because at the road while you are driving your car, if you stop your car, there will be no effect of wind, current, sea. But at sea, when the vessel is out of its control, there are some other controls to take over, like wind, sea wave, current. All these will act together upon your vessel and you might go anywhere controlled by all of these factors. So remaining number 6, the draft in relation to the available depth of water. That means your own vessel's draft in relation to the available depth of the water from where you are passing. That's it. So next day we'll go through part B. Stay with us.